Hello, here's two methods of cast on. One is Italian cast on, what probably a lot of you knows, and another one is like imitation of Italian cast on with additional thread. So let's look at both of these methods closer and compare, and let me know which one you like more. So for this cast on we need two yarns. One is main yarn what we use for garment, and another one is just like scrap yarn and needles. So what we will do, we will cast on together on both threads, holding main thread on the top, like blue one is main yarn, and another one additional one on the bottom, like V shape. We don't need to leave long tail, just convenient to hold it. I cast on one needle, and we need to cast on twice less stitches plus one. For example, for my garment I need 30 stitches, so I will cast on 15 plus 1, 16 stitches. So I just wrap around my thread around additional yarn and go to the main one. So it looks the same as long tail cast on. The only thing, we use two different threads. So let's cast on, for example, 16 stitches as I said, and for main garment I will need 30 stitches. Okay, so here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here's 16 stitches. I don't need any more additional yarn, I just cut it and put it aside. So you don't need to leave long tails, but like wherever more convenient for you. If you cut it here, you probably can lose it. So our next row will be double amount of stitches. Usually I slip my first stitch in the garment, so what I will do here, I just slip it, just a little bit hold additional yarn over, purl stitch, again yarn over, purl stitch. So yarn over and purl until the last stitch, and I will show you. So before the last stitch, so yarn over, purl stitch, I have only one last stitch on the needle. Here I don't need yarn over, I just purl it. And be careful and recount stitches because it's more sensitive moment. So some stitches double, I think you see it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. So yeah, here I have 30 stitches. Next row, again I slip my first stitch as usual in the garment. Next one is just regular stitch what I knitted previously, I just knitted. Here's yarn over, I slip the stitches holding thread in front. again knit. His was yarn over. I will slip it holding yarn in front. So, and continue until the end of the row. Okay, and his yarn over, I just slip it as purl stitch, and the last one I usually purl. I always purl it. So next row, again we repeat. I slip first stitch as usual. All knit stitches I knit, and purl stitches I slip it with yarn in front. So this one, it was slipped previously as purl stitch, now it will be knit one. Here's purl stitch. I think you see the thread like horizontal bar, so it's purl stitch. I slip it holding the yarn in front. Okay, next one is knit one. It's basically ribbon one by one. So we need only knit stitches and slip all purl stitches. So, and the last one purl stitch. So we need to repeat 3 rows in the same technique. When we knit only knit stitches, okay, first is knit stitch and slip purl stitches. So 2 more rows like this. So after 2 rows, I will continue to knit just ribbon one by one. And for representation convenience, I will do, let's say, some rows. I just knit one by one ribbon, and yeah, I just continue to knit to look it's better, and see you in several rows. So I finished some more rows with ribbon one by one and stockinette stitch, and basically what we will do with additional thread on the bottom. So I pick up stitches from, and I'm not sure what, yeah, we have to start from the beginning, or any end what's more working best for you, and basically just cast off manually one by one stitch. It's not difficult. The main thing, do not choose fluffy yarn for like additional thread. And here you see like funny stitches, but we don't want to use this kind of edge. So what we will do, we will find the very last stitch here. It's this one inside, I believe. Nope. Yeah. And just pull it. So now edge of our knitting is round and beautiful, and it's pretty elastic. I just I have too small needle. So let me know if you used this method before or you prefer traditional Italian cast on. Try it on and let me know how do you like it. Thank you.